Welcome to Easy English Channel.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Talk. I'm Lily.
And I'm Tom. We are so happy you are here today.
Today, we are going to learn how to talk about Christmas in English. This lesson is perfect for beginners.
Yes, we will practice easy conversations about Christmas Day, what we do, what we eat, and how we celebrate.
If you are new here, please click the subscribe button and give this video a like. It helps us so much.
Okay, let's get started. Lily, do you like Christmas?
Yes, I love Christmas. It's my favorite holiday. How about you?
Me too. Tell me, what do you do on Christmas morning?
On Christmas morning, I wake up early. I feel very excited
Excited? Why?
because there are presents under the Christmas tree. I want to open them.
I see.
Do you open presents right away?
No, not right away. First, my family has breakfast together.
That's nice. What do you eat for breakfast?
We eat pancakes, eggs, and drink hot chocolate. It's delicious.
Yum!
Hot chocolate on Christmas morning sounds perfect.
Tom, do you decorate your house for Christmas?
Yes, I do. Every year, I put up a Christmas tree.
Really? What does your tree look like?
It's a big green tree. I put colorful lights on it. And I hang ornaments, too.
Ornaments? What are those?
Ornaments are small decorations, like stars, balls, and little snowmen. They're very pretty.
That sounds beautiful. Do you put anything else on the tree?
Yes, I put a big gold star on the top of the tree.
Perfect. My family also hangs Christmas stockings by the fireplace.
Christmas stockings! I love those. Santa Claus put small gifts inside them.
Yes, like candy, chocolate, and small toys.
Lily, what's your favorite part of Christmas?
I think it's the Christmas dinner. We have a big feast.
A feast? What do you eat?
We eat roast turkey, mashed potatoes, and vegetables.
Wow, that sounds delicious. Do you eat dessert too?
Of course, we have Christmas pudding and cookies. My mom bakes them.
Your mom bakes cookies? What kind?
Gingerbread cookies. They look like little men. They're so cute and tasty.
Yummy. In my family, we also eat turkey, but we have apple pie for dessert.
Apple pie? I love apple pie. It's sweet and warm.
Do you eat with your whole family?
Yes. My parents, my grandparents, and my cousins. We all sit together at a big table.
That's wonderful. Family time is the best part of Christmas.
Tom, do you give gifts on Christmas?
Yes, I do. I give gifts to my family and friends.
What gifts do you give?
This year, I gave my mom a scarf. I gave my dad a book.
That's very thoughtful. What did you get?
I got a new jacket for my parents, and my sister gave me a video game.
A video game? That's exciting. Are you happy with your gifts?
Yes, very happy. You know, the best part is not getting gifts.
Oh? What's the best part?
The best part is giving gifts and seeing people smile.
I agree. Giving makes me feel warm and happy inside.
Lily, what do you do after dinner on Christmas?
After dinner, my family relaxes. We sit by the fireplace.
That sounds cozy. Do you do anything else?
Yes. We play board games together. like Monopoly or cards.
Fun. Do you watch TV?
Sometimes we watch a Christmas movie. My favorite is Home Alone.
Home Alone is a classic. I watch it every year too.
We also listen to Christmas songs like Jingle Bells and Silent Night.
I love Christmas songs. They make me feel happy and peaceful.
Me too. Christmas is such a special time with family.
Okay, everyone. Now let's learn some important Christmas words. These words will help you talk about Christmas in English.
Yes. We will explain each word slowly and give you examples. Are you ready? The first word is celebrate. Celebrate means to do something special for a happy event.
For example, we celebrate Christmas with our family.
Another example is, how do you celebrate New Year?
So, when you do something fun for a holiday, you celebrate it.
The next word is decorate. Decorate means to make something look beautiful by adding things.
For example, I decorate the Christmas tree with lights and ornaments.
Another example is, we decorate our house for Christmas.
So, when you add lights, stars, or colors to make something pretty, you decorate it.
The next word is ornament. An ornament is a small, pretty decoration you hang on the Christmas tree.
For example, I have a red ball ornament on my tree.
Another example is, these ornaments are very old. My grandmother gave them to me.
Ornaments can be stars, balls, snowmen, or angels. They make the tree beautiful. The next word is feast. A feast is a very big and special meal with lots of food.
For example, we have a Christmas feast every year.
Another example, the feast includes turkey, potatoes, and dessert.
So when you eat a lot of delicious food with family, it's a feast. The next word is gift or present. Both words mean the same thing. They are things you give to someone to make them happy.
For example, I gave my mom a gift for Christmas.
Another example is, what presents did you get this year?
Remember, giving gifts is just as important as receiving gifts. The next word is stocking. A Christmas stocking is a big sock you hang by the fireplace. Santa Claus puts small gifts inside.
For example, I hung my stocking by the fireplace.
Another example, my stocking was full of candy and toys.
Stockings are usually red and white. They are very cute.
The last word is tradition. A tradition is something special you do every year in the same way.
For example, it's our family tradition to open gifts on Christmas morning.
Another example, what are your Christmas traditions?
Every family has different traditions. That's what makes Christmas special.
Great job! Let's review the 7 words quickly.
1. Celebrate. 2. Decorate. 3. Ornament. 4. Feast. 5. Gift or present. 6. Stocking. 7. Tradition.
Now, let's practice speaking. Repeat after us.
I love Christmas. It's my favorite holiday.
We decorate the Christmas tree with lights and ornaments.
My family has a big feast on Christmas Day.
I give gifts to my friends and family.
We celebrate Christmas together every year.
Wow, you did great today. We learned so much about Christmas.
Yes! Now you can talk about Christmas in English with confidence.
Before we say goodbye, we have a question for you.
Here's the question. What is your favorite Christmas tradition?
Please write your answer in the comments below. Use English if you can.
For example, you can write, "My favorite tradition is baking cookies with my mom."
Or, my favorite tradition is watching Christmas movies with my family.
We love reading your comments. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Click the subscribe button and the bell icon. Then you will see our new videos every week.
Thank you so much for watching. We wish you a very Merry Christmas.
And a Happy New Year. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Bye!